Hello there, it's Katya from FitInMobility, and today I'm greeting you from beautiful Gran Canaria, from Las Canteras Beach. For everyone who are beach lovers, vacation lovers, surfers, this is a paradise. So this video is very important for you who are suffering chronic or acute lower back pain, for all of you who are sitting long hours per day, who has a sedentary job or lifestyle, for all of you who are like me, who are suffering this lordosis here in the lower spine, this curve here. It's very important that you have a strong core, that you have a strong gluteus muscles. And for all of you who are frequently suffering from lower back pain when you are walking long distances or when you're standing up. So stay tuned. So the first exercise, you're gonna lay down on some flat surface. You're gonna push your hands behind your back in your lower spine, and you're gonna simply do like this. You just push your lower spine into your hands, and at the same time, you're gonna lift up your head. You're gonna do the double chin. You're gonna hold this pose for about 10 to 15 seconds and release. And you're gonna do this for about 6 to 8 times in this exercise. Second exercise is also pretty easy. You're gonna turn your hands like this. You're gonna lift your buttocks, and at the same time, you're gonna lift your toes and hold this position for about, again, 10 to 15 seconds. Squeeze your buttocks muscle, squeeze your abdominals. After 10 seconds, take a deep breath and repeat 6 to 8 times. The third exercise, you're gonna do the bridging again, and at the same time, you're gonna lift up your leg, hold this position again for 10 seconds, squeeze your buttocks muscles, squeeze your abdominals, and repeat 6 to 8 times. If you want to take this exercise to another level, just do the same, raise your leg and move with your leg. You're gonna provide a good stretch for your nerve. You're gonna do a little nerve mobilization, self-mobilization, and repeat this move with your leg for about 6 to 8 times again, and release. So the fourth exercise is one of the easiest one. I call it Superman. Just lay on your stomach, stretch your arms, hold your legs like this. Your buttocks are strong, your abdominals are strong, and hold this pose for about 15 seconds. Release it, take a deep breath, and repeat 6 to 8 times. Remember, the exercises are very important. I recommend to do them at least once per day if you're suffering already from a lower back pain. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I see you next time. Bye bye.